Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm going to make sweet potato turon. Okay, these are all the ingredients. I have the wrapper, cheese, jackfruit, water, and then condensed milk, butter, and then the sweet potato. I already cooked the sweet potato, okay? So first, I'm gonna mash the sweet potato first. Mm. It's sweet, but not super sweet. Okay, and then I'm going to put it here. This is 1 kilo sweet potatoes. Here, guys, I think 2 tablespoons of butter. I put 2 tablespoons of or 3 tablespoons of butter. My God, my hands is very okay. And then we're gonna add condensed milk, guys. So this is 1 cup, but I want to taste first if it is sweet already. I'm not going to put all, okay? Ooh. And then the milk is, I will try to see if this is sweet already or not after I mix it properly. Okay, now I'm gonna taste. For me, it's enough, but I don't know. Some of the people love to eat sweet, but me, I don't want to eat super sweet. But for me, it's enough. I will make it bigger. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put like that. Okay. Be sure that you wash your hands, okay? So, okay, I think I'm gonna add more. Okay. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay. And then I'm gonna add cheese. And then the jackfruit. My God, this is very yummy, huh? There's a jackfruit. Okay, I'm gonna add more. So, do you think this is enough, huh? What I mean, how many pieces we can make of this one. So we're gonna put the, like that, we're gonna cover the cheese. We're gonna cover the cheese so that it will not be, okay, like this. Okay. Okay, so this is big. This is a big turon. Mm. Okay, guys. This is big, guys, ha? Look at that one. Okay, that's very big, okay? Next. Okay. So, I'm gonna do like that first. Maybe I'm gonna make it super lapad so that I can cover. Okay. And now, we're gonna put cheese. Mm-hmm. And then the jackfruit. Okay, guys, I'm done wrapping or the sweet potato turon is done. So I'm going to go outside and fry this one. Okay. Oh. Okay, maybe 3 by 3 lang. Potato turon is super long and it's super yummy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. Okay. Look at that one. Yes. Yes, guys. Okay. I'm gonna do like that because this is cooked already also inside. Okay. Mm, mhm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get that, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Look at that one. Okay. Okay. The sweet potato turon. Okay, so now it's tasting time. I want to chop this one. I just chop into half. Oh, look at that one, guys. Oh, look at that one. The cheese and the, I chop it and the cheese and the jackfruit. Look at, it's there. Okay, so now it's testing time. Mm, mm, it's yummy. Mm. It's yummy, guys. It's not super sweet. Okay, it's good. Mm, mm. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, guys, TikTok, and then uh, YouTube. Okay? And then to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.